Hey guys, found a box of Bowman. My first one of these I've opened. It's been out for a while, but of course chasing those Cooper flags. Haven't opened any of this yet, so see what we can do. Haven't opened any basketball for a while. They're pretty decent the last few times we've opened it. The Topps products have been pretty good this year, so let's check out Bowman. Be interested to see if they do the football Bowman products similar to this, where they're going to have the college and pro. So, Cal Brenner, Elijah Martin, Herbert Jones, Micah Peavy, Trey Murphy. On the Reptilian, Winters Grady, first Bowman. A chrome here, Will Richard. Isaiah Dennis. Davion Hanna. And Otegwa Oweha. So kind of interesting. First pack there. Get a lot of paper, get some chromes, some inserts. There you go, VJ Edgecombe. Ant-Man. Alex Tui. Josh Giddey. Jared Allen. Emily Skinner on the VIP. Paul George. Sean Abev. Trey Kaufman-Wren. And I got McCare, South Carolina. So yeah, you also get the women's NIL in this too, which is kind of neat, like you did last year with the Bowman. Amin Thompson, Ben Seraph, Tyrese Proctor, Gunnison Baselli, verified Koa Pete from Arizona. Have a cool insert there. Jahami Meshach, Derek Dixon, Jalen Lowe, and Nate Calamesi. So far, not a lot of big-time players, but just like a lot of other stuff, a lot of prospects. So, just like the other Bowman, baseball Bowman. But there's some massive cards in these I've seen. So, Bradley Beal, Carmen Maluch, Shaden Sharp, Tyrese Maxey, Dyson Daniels, Young King, Jimmy Butler. Those are cool. Chrome, Mikal Bridges, Mikal Brown, Nate Ahmet, Milos Uzan. So far, pretty much getting smoked in this box, but we'll see how this keeps going. Ooh, we got some color here. We got a green, looks like. Porzingis, Donovan Mitchell, Munga, Damian Lillard, Christian Braun, rookie. There we go, Max Shulga to 99. I'm gonna take that. Not the rookie we were looking for, but hey, Barnheiser right behind it. And the chrome, Darren Williams, Laura Somfai, Michael Rochta. Kyle Kuzma, Rob Dillingham, Joel Embiid, Bam Adebayo, Keontae George, Igor Demon on the Greatness Loading, Kobe White, Devin McLaughlin, Jeremiah Wilkinson, and to finish it out, Shelton Henderson. So, hey, and our big hit was the out of 99. Nothing crazy, but there you go. But, hey, that's Bowman. We'll catch y'all later. Have a good one. Bye.